So this is gonna be a quick video. I had to share this with y'all. Something just had me like, you know what? Let me see if I can get some new nail art supplies because I've been going crazy with the nails. I have so many tutorials to post. I just literally recorded like 3 that I have to edit for this channel. And when I did that, look at this. So first of all, Cyber Monday is coming. Okay, it's Sunday, 10:11 a.m. Where while I do this video, I searched on Amazon nail art supplies. That's how I pulled up this page. Let's click on Cyber Monday deals because that's what we want right now. So Cyber Monday deals. When I tell you the discounts are what, even this, like I'm probably gonna get this. I had seen this. I just used Chrome on a tutorial that I did, and I absolutely love Chrome. So I'm looking at getting this, especially look, $12.47 down from $15.99. Look at this, $15.99, $12.47. 9 boxes of just different decor. Look at this, 43 pieces. This is on sale, and a lot of these little sets be good, especially if you see reviews and it got 4.5 stars. Trust me, it's probably good. This is regular $29. This is to 23. Look at this. This is a whole set. Nail lamp, the brushes, cuticle nipper. This looks like this could be some type of drill. Yeah, drill. Come on, like with pieces and rhinestones, nail file, buffer tool, all that. All of this for $23. This will at least get you started with your nails if you're new. Nail sheets. Oh my goodness. Let me tell y'all something about nail foil. So I'm definitely ordering some nail foil because I used nail foil on this last tutorial. Obsessed. Easiest way to do something fly on your nails. Who knew? Like, I'm obsessed with nail foil. It's so easy to use. I can't wait to post these new tutorials. Check this out. $12.99 down to $9.87. This is what I put in my last video, right? We just got this on a haul. Saviland Chrome Nail Powder, $11.19. Stuff in my haul that I just did are on sale. I'm pretty sure that's not the only item. All right. Look at this. This is a portable electric nail drill. Now, at this price, these might not be as strong and these might not work forever, but these are good. When I first started doing my own nails, I used things like this. All right. And I will put links below if you want to just click some of the products that I recommend from this video. I will put it in the description. Check this out, especially the ones that I use. Look at this, brushes, these little nail supplies, different sizes, and the dipper tools, the pickup things. $9.87 from $12.99. Holographic nail glitter. Like, I'm probably definitely gonna get this right here. This is on sale, $10.99 to $8.24. LED lamps, $23.41. I was looking at this. Look at this, $23.99 and it's $13.99. Like, I might definitely at least get this because that's a huge savings, right? You save $10 on this, and a lot of this stuff, some of it when I was looking at it this morning was like actually same day, but I was like, you know, it's cool. I need to do this video first for my folks. All right, I might order some of this stuff though to get it same day. But it's like, look at this Rhinestone Glue Gel. This is so cool because I looked at the pictures and it's like you squeeze it on there. So that's even better than the one that I use that you got to dip the brush in. Look at the different art supplies. Like, look at the different things in here in this kit that you can use for your nails. And this one, I'm like, I highly recommend this set. I'm definitely going to put this below because look at everything that you get. I'm like, oh my goodness. I love the little different decor. Look at that. I never had these type of pearls and stuff. So I'm like, that's going to be so cute. I love it. Look at that. So I'm excited. I'm probably definitely going to get that rhinestone nail art kit. Let's see what else we got. Check this out. More sales. These are so pretty. Look, I just put this on the last haul and I love these Velodia. I just used these for my last tutorial, and when I tell you, I completely love this set. So they have that. You can save about $1 and some change on this. All right. Nail stamp plates. I haven't done nail stamping in a while. It's pretty cool, but I'm not gonna lie, like, I really love, I thought that said Beatles. I really love nail foil. Gel on sale. Look, another Sun UV LED. This is usually $26 and is on sale for about 20. Check these deals out. So I just wanted to come tell y'all about this real quick. Look at this. These are so pretty. I'm like, at least get something. If you already have supplies, you might see something that you've been wanting. Look, this looks nice too. You might see something that you've been wanting here for a good. Oh yeah, I might get this set right here. Like, look at those little different pieces up in there. Let's see the pictures. Oh, look, this is the Sun UV LED lamp that I have. That might even be on sale too. You never know. This is amazing. I'm like, yeah, I'm definitely. Look at this. Let's see the customer images. Look at that. That's a lot of supply. A lot. Oh my goodness. Yes. Of course, some people get broken stuff. That's like in every review, but I'm gonna be honest. Everything that I received from Amazon has been pretty good as far as my nail supplies. I haven't had any issues. And then remember, you can always return things. With Amazon, you can send it back. So if you get something and it's not in good condition, send it back to where it came from. Oh my goodness. Yes. So I might get this one instead. I'm going to compare and contrast this one and the other one that I was looking at. This one is $7.99. I love that. Regularly $9.99. I have this set right here. I just found it. I was like, oh my goodness, I knew that I bought some nail supplies that I have couldn't find. Well, I found them. I have this set. This is such a cool set. So you can save like $1.58 on that. And then let's see what else we can find. Look, different nail tips and stuff. Let's see if we can find. I'm gonna put acrylic nail products and see what comes up as far as Cyber Monday. Let's see who else is having Cyber Monday. Let's click on Cyber Monday deals again because that's all we're interested in right now. Look at these full sets. These are acrylic nail kits with acrylic powder. These might be something that you're interested in if you never did your nails before. Because, you know, nail supplies can end up being a lot. So if you've never did nail supplies, I even recommend trying something like this. This is on sale, usually $40 all the way down to $28 and some change. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm ordering this for sure. Like literally, this is the Beetles top coat and foundation that I use. This is so good. I love Beetles polish. I've told y'all about Beetles polish. So I'm actually gonna buy this because this is on sale. That's half the price. And I'm gonna need more of this anyway. So I'm gonna order I'm gonna re-up on that. For sure. I was just thinking about that too. Like I should get more. And yes, again, look at the nail lamps on sale. Beetles polish on sale. Regular $13.99 family. So that means probably every single nail beadage polish that I put below in my links in description is probably on Cyber Monday deal. So remember, all of my links are going to be listed below this video. Look at this. Nail bits. These are so cute. I might get these. These are just cute. The holographic. I'm obsessed with the holographic. Look at this. I just put this on my video. $26.99 I paid. Y'all can get it for $21.59. Look at y'all winning. Big time. Nail glue from the McCart kit. So that means the whole McCart kit that I put on my last video is probably on sale too. From $16.99 to $7.99. These are not deals. These are deals. I just bought this chrome nail powder on sale, $8.99. Check out the last video haul that I did because I would not be surprised if everything in that haul is literally on a Cyber Monday deal. I'm like, wow. Look at this. This is Metalone's acrylic powder with professional liquid and monomer. This might definitely be something to try. Then it comes with actual what you call it, the nail extension things. $14.98. That's a huge savings. Oh my goodness, this makes me so excited. I'm like, Lord, I'm gonna be just looking at this all day to see, like, I'm gonna try to get a few things. I don't want to be doing too much, but I'm going to do something. You feel me? I can't believe these savings. Like, I am. Look at this. Nail Prep Dehydrator Acid Free Primer. Y'all know that I use Mia's Secret. I recommend using Mia's Secret the whole set together, but still, like, you can still use this as well. That's on sale for both of those. Nail tips on sale, like, oh my gosh, look at this. Let's look up. I'm gonna look up nail drills, acrylic, because I know some people probably need drills. Oh, let's click on Cyber Monday deals. Check this out. These types of drills are good starter drills. They don't last forever, but they're good to start. They're gonna at least last you some sessions. Look at this drill. It's $58 and it's on sale for $39. This looks like a really nice drill that might be looking into. It got some pretty good reviews and it's pink. Like, come on. So this is on sale from $58 to $39. These are half the price. This is $30 and it's on sale for $15. Like, yeah, definitely look these up. Oh my goodness. And then I'll look up one more thing just so we can see, because I feel like I'm shopping with y'all. I had to come on here and do this right quick. We're not missing any of these sales. I feel like, oh my goodness, I'm happy I didn't wait, because I was about to say, if I waited, I would have saved some money on some of the stuff that I did buy, but then I wouldn't have appreciated these deals so much to come on here and show y'all. So we're good. Once the family can save money, I feel like I save money too. So I'm like, if you've been wanting supplies, now's the perfect time for these Cyber Monday deals. So look, all I typed in then was acrylic nails to see what comes up. I think this is calling me, so you would want to read the reviews on that. Like I said, I always recommend Mia's Secret. Melodone's 12 color polymer acrylic powder set. I'm gonna look into this brand, because let me know if y'all have tried Melodone's, because like I said, y'all know I always use Mia's Secret, but when I was doing my nails in the past, I don't think that I've ever seen Melodone's. So that might be something worth trying right there, at least to see how it holds up. But y'all know I'm like a Mia's Secret girl, but I definitely don't discriminate. Look at this Savvyland acrylic powder set on sale for a few dollars. And I do like Savvyland. Like, I love their chrome powder that I got. So now I'm like, okay, Savvyland might be kind of straight. Oh yeah, they have so much. Let's see. I'm gonna look up. I keep saying one more thing, but hold on. This is so good. All right, so let's see what Mia's Secret got Cyber Monday deals. Let's see if they have any. So Mia's Secret doesn't have any Cyber Monday deals, but look, Sun UV. This is the exact LED lamp that I've been telling y'all about. This is from $39.99 to $29.49. This is a great lamp. I have this one. And then look, Savvyland does have their liquid monomer. So Savvyland has acrylic liquid monomer on sale from $12.99 to $10.39. I might try that, to be honest. Melodone. No, actually, I want to pay. I don't know. Either I'm gonna try Savvyland or Meldalones. I'm saying it all wrong. Modalones. Can I read or nah? So Modalones has the primer and the nail prep. This is so important. I don't care what type of acrylic nail monomer and powder you get. Like, make sure that you get nail prep and dehydrator. Like, primer and dehydrator. Look at this. Okay. So yeah, family, I just wanted to tell y'all, like, almost everything that I put in that last haul that I did is literally on sale for Cyber Monday. So make sure you get your Cyber Monday on. Even if you just get one thing that you've been wanting, look it up. It might be having a Cyber Monday deal. Even if it doesn't have to do with nails. This is a nail channel though, but you might be surprised, something that you just been wanting. Look it up. Catch these Cyber Monday deals today. Catch them Monday. Like, we not playing with this. I don't even want to wait. I'm like, I'm not even waiting until Monday. Like, I'm gonna do whatever I'm led to buy tonight or today. That's what I'm gonna get. Look, this is basically what I just purchased right here. This is almost the same set that I got. Look, I just literally, like, oh my goodness, I literally just paid 19. I had a McCart, but this is very similar. Like, they probably work the same. So I had a McCart nail foil glue and gel set that I got for $19.99. It's on sale for $11.99. Oh my goodness. So yeah, anyways, I see y'all soon. Happy nails. I love y'all. Talk to y'all later. Y'all will in peace.